Very good morning to all. Today we start our lecture number 29. This is your second part of chapter number 29. Chapter number 8, bank chapter. Okay, name is your bank. Now I'll tell you new thing that is called fixed amount, fixed deposit. This is called FD. Suppose there is a one man, Farhan. Farhan's father is a farmer. Farhan's father is a farmer. He deposited. Farhan's father is a farmer. He deposited his money. Okay. Deposit means he put money in bank. Okay, so he put money, at least it money was amount is 10,000 rupees. Then the bank clerk advised him that he put this money to a fixed account. Okay, this is called a saving account. He put 10,000 rupees. And clerk advised him to he put this money in a fixed account. What is fixed? When a sum of amount is deposited in a bank for a fixed deposit of fixed period, such as whenever you deposit your money for 5 years. Okay, this is the maximum limit of keeping your money. Okay, then how many types of accounts are there in bank to open it? So what are they? First one, current account. You all have no saving account. Okay, saving account, current account, and recurring account, joint account, and that is fixed deposit. I told you that fixed deposit means whenever you put your money for fixed period of time. So what is the benefit of that? Suppose you have 10,000 rupees and you put this money for 5 years. Okay, in bank you keep this money for 5 years. What give you the bank? If you have 10,000, they give you 10,000 plus more interest, and how your 10,000 rupees at least 20,000 or 15,000. Suppose you put your money for 5 years, then bank give you at least more than 5,000 or 10,000 more. So this is your profit, your benefit for you. Okay, so bank give you that advice. So this is called another type of account, current account. Now I'll tell you what is current account. Current account is a account for open. This account is open for only businessmen. Okay, they cannot get interest on it. They cannot get extra money on it. Okay, they only open their account CA, current account. Okay, only for this account is for business objectives, business person. Next one, recurring joint account, fixed account. Joint account means suppose you have opened your account and this is your photo and this is your father's photo. Okay, you and your father. So whenever you open your joint account, so you have to put your two photos here. First your photo and another one is your father's. So this is called joint account. More than one. Here is more than one person. So one or two, that is called joint account. Here you have to deposit money every month or every year. Okay, this is called an deposit joint account. Now I'll tell you what is the rules of bank. Now listen carefully, what are the rules in bank. So first rule, you have to save account. You have to open a minimum amount in it. Whenever you have to open saving account, you have to minimum amount in it. So what is minimum amount? I have told you in previous video, that is 500 rupees. You have to kept there at least 500 rupees. Okay, that is very compulsory. And the next one is, this is main, or this is good for you. You have to withdraw. Any person can withdraw, any person can deposit money in your bank. Suppose this is your account, okay. So your friend or another one can deposit here money, okay, but cannot withdraw it. He can give you money in your bank but cannot withdraw. He can give you the money, okay, but he cannot take out from money without your permission, and he cannot take out your money, okay. So a third person can deposit money in your bank, understood, but he cannot withdraw money. Next thing is, I'll tell you, suppose, next thing, whenever you have form, fill the withdrawal form. So those who, what about those who are illiterate? What about those who are not educated? Those who are not go any school, if they have to open account, they have to give their thumb impression, okay. Here they have to put thumb impression, and if that thumb impression of people who are illiterate put their thumb impression in place of signature. Suppose I have to withdraw money, so I have sign here like this, okay. Suppose any illiterate person is here, so he put his thumb here, okay, in place of signature. So what happen if signature is not match, okay. If signature is not match and you have to take out money, then bank do not give you money. Bank refuse your money. Bank do not give. Understood? So you have to put a correct thumb there. Okay. Then next thing I'll tell you, different facilities for the withdraw the money from a bank. You have to take out your money from by withdrawal form, understood, by check, and by ATM cards. ATM card, you all know ATM card. ATM, what is the full form of ATM? That is automated teller machine. With the help of that machine is available for 24/7. It means 24 hours each and every day that ATM machine is available for you. Whenever you have to want that money, you have to go ATM, and bank give you ATM card, okay. Bank will give you ATM card. You have to go in a bank and you have to put that ATM card and you have to take out your money. At least you have to take this amount, understood. You have to take out your money. Okay, now I'll tell you next thing. You all have no electronic funds. With the help of mobile, you can also take out the money. Understood? Okay. Now I'll tell you who put. Now you have to give me answers. Question answer I'll tell you. What is fixed account? I will tell you answer. What is fixed account? When a sum of amount is deposited in a bank for a fixed deposit. This is called a fixed deposit. Next one is, what is the maximum limit of keeping your money in fixed account? So I have told you. So what is the minimum amount, minimum year or minimum time, minimum limit of keeping your money? That is 5 years. Yes. Now right now, what are the another account that can be opened in a bank? So I have told you na, these are the another account. Okay, current, recurring, joint and fixed accounts are the type of accounts. Now next question is rules of the bank. I have told you first rule is minimum amount that is put in your saving account. In saving account you have to put a minimum amount in it. Next one is a third party. A third person can deposit money. A third person, any third person can deposited money in your account, but he cannot withdraw. Okay, this is the rules of bank. Next one, what happens when signature thumbs do not match? If you have to go in a bank and you have to withdraw that money, and if you have to withdraw that money and your signature is not matched, so what happen? If you give your signature and your signature is not matched, so bank refused, bank do not give you any money. Okay, bank will first tell you, bank told you, you have to know what is your signature. Okay, without your proper signature they cannot give you the money. Okay, and who put the thumb impression? Those who are illiterate, those who are not educated. Understood? The next question is different facilities to withdraw money from the bank by withdrawal form. And next video I'll tell you how can you fill that withdrawal form. Okay, in next video, that is very interesting video, you have to watch my 30 number lecture. Okay, you have to see my 30 number. This is your 29th lecture. In next video I'll tell you how to fill that withdrawal form, how can you fill deposited form. Okay, understood? Now your question is, what are the different facilities that you have to withdraw your money? So first one is by withdrawal form, another one is check, third one is ATM card. With the help of ATM card or by phone. Okay, understood? So be happy, be good, all the best, and take care of yourself. Stay at home.